All right, Marvin, to give the trophy to our grand champion. All right, so, ali po kayo. Lapit kayo dito. Siyempre, the CPA will always look at everything, right? It's tough, right? So, every year we have a grand champion. So, who will be the grand champion for the year? We don't know. Maybe we'll have Gabriel Silva and Ansu and Pinar here because I have your certificates too. Please join us. Yes. Keeping in suspense. Radio Manila, tune in to Radio Manila. I always say this every year. Tune in to Radio Manila, you know the winner. And the newspaper comes out, they get it next week. So, maybe that's the way. We don't do voting online here. They sing live, the judges are here, they listen to the songs. Was it difficult, Peter?
Really difficult this year. So much difficult. All of them. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Samantha Urete, palakpakan po natin. April Dalmasio, palakpakan po natin. And Melanie Jimenez, congratulations. They did a wonderful job. And of course, the other grand finalists, palakpakan po natin sila. And definitely all the parents, the family and friends that have supported, to all of you, maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Mr. Gabriel Silva and Suan Pinar would like to also give you the certificates of appreciation for having joined us and offered the blessing. Thank you so much for being here today. Gabriel Silva, it's an honor to be here. Please join us here as we announce our grand champion. All right. So now, we start with the third, right? And then we pause for a while. We take a long time for the second and the first. All right. That's tough. And Marvin is here, Calderon, Oregon Idol. He's going to give a trophy to the winner because he received a trophy before. Joseph Cabiling's another champion. Jamie Avencena also winner of Tawag. Well, that's it. All right. The third place winner. All right. Baka ibang pangalan malagay si Gabriel. Gabriel was not a contestant. They might put Gabriel as the winner. All right, we go for the third place winner. Of course, this is, you're all friends. You've done very well. It's a matter of ranking, but it's, you'll be working together. You'll be friends forever. You continue your service, correct? Palakpakan po natin ulit sila lahat. Again, Peter,
third place winner is Miss Samantha Urete.
Right, Samantha Urete is the third place winner. All right, that's right. Sumama ka, Marvin. You join everybody, huh? Okay. Huh? Who do we announce? The first is, alam mo, there are only two now. If we announce the second, we know who's going to be, the first. So we announce the first, go over one second. Diba? So anyway, front, the two. All right. Hey. Now you sing again. So, we want to mention the place winners, right? The second and then the first. Of course, when we mention that, you know who's the first. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the second place winner is
Miss April Dalmasio.
And so who is the winner? He's the first place winner. Congratulations. Congratulations. All right. And we will play her song again. Normally it's a tradition that we normally play her winning song again. So ladies and gentlemen, Melanie, remember, you're going to sing the song again. Congratulations. Congratulations to Samantha. Congratulations to, come on, Melanie. Congratulations to April. And now, once again, Casey and Malik, let's listen to the song again. The winning song for the year. Ikaw. Melanie Jimenez. So here we are, the grand champion for Tawag ng Tangalan, USA.
This song is for all of you.